Jeff Bezos is one of the most influential entrepreneurs of the modern era. As the founder of Amazon, he transformed a small online bookstore into one of the world's largest and most valuable companies. His journey from a curious child with a passion for science to a global business leader is a story of determination, innovation, and long-term thinking. Beyond business, Bezos has also made significant contributions to space exploration, media, and philanthropy. Early life and childhood. Jeffrey Preston Bezos was born on 12 January 1964 in Albuquerque, New Mexico, USA. His mother, Jacqueline Jice, was only 17 years old when he was born. After his parents separated, his mother married Miguel, Mike, Bezos, a Cuban immigrant who adopted Jeff and gave him his surname. From an early age, Jeff showed exceptional intelligence. He enjoyed taking apart household appliances to understand how they worked and spent countless hours reading books about science and technology. His family recognized his curiosity and encouraged his interests. During summers, Jeff often visited his grandparents' ranch in Texas, where he learned the value of hard work, problem solving, and independence. Those experiences shaped his character and future leadership style. Education. Jeff attended Miami Palmetto Senior High School in Florida, where he excelled academically. He was a top student and developed a strong interest in computers. In 1982, he enrolled at Princeton University, graduating with degrees in electrical engineering and computer science. His technical education later became one of his greatest strengths in building technology-driven businesses. Early career. After graduating from Princeton, Bezos worked at several financial and technology companies on Wall Street. He quickly gained a reputation as a brilliant analyst and problem solver. He eventually joined the investment firm D.E. Shaw, where he became one of its youngest senior vice presidents. Although he had a successful career, Bezos dreamed of building something of his own. The birth of Amazon. In 1994, Bezos noticed that internet usage was growing at an extraordinary rate. Believing the internet would transform commerce, he left his secure job and moved to Seattle to start an online business. Working from a small garage with only a handful of employees, he launched Amazon in 1995 as an online bookstore. His vision, however, was much bigger than selling books. Jeff focused on customer satisfaction, fast delivery, and continuous innovation. Over time, Amazon expanded into electronics, clothing, groceries, entertainment, cloud computing, and countless other industries. Today, Amazon serves millions of customers across the globe and has become one of the most recognized companies in history. Innovation beyond online shopping. Bezos believed companies should never stop experimenting. Under his leadership, Amazon introduced many groundbreaking services, including Kindle e-readers, Amazon Prime, Amazon Web Services, AWS, Alexa Voice Assistant, Smart Home Technology, Advanced Logistics and Delivery Systems. These innovations reshaped industries and influenced how people shop, read, watch entertainment, and use cloud computing. Passion for space exploration. Jeff Bezos has always dreamed of space travel. In Do Safar Safar Safar, he founded Blue Origin, a private aerospace company dedicated to making space travel safer and more affordable. The company successfully launched reusable rockets and carried civilians into space, moving closer to Bezos' vision of millions of people living and working beyond Earth. Leadership philosophy. Bezos became famous for several business principles. Think long-term. Obsess over customers. Never stop experimenting. Accept failure as part of innovation. make decisions quickly but thoughtfully. These ideas influenced not only Amazon but also entrepreneurs around the world. Challenges and criticism. Despite Amazon's success, Bezos has faced criticism regarding employee working conditions, the company's growing market power, privacy concerns, and environmental impact. Supporters argue that Amazon has created millions of jobs and revolutionized global commerce, while critics believe large technology companies should be subject to stronger oversight. Personal life. Jeff Bezos married novelist Mackenzie Scott in 1993. The couple later divorced in 2019 after 25 साल of marriage. They have 4 children. Bezos has since continued his business ventures while supporting scientific research, environmental initiatives, education, and charitable causes through various philanthropic organizations. Legacy. Jeff Bezos is remembered as more than just the founder of Amazon. He represents a generation of entrepreneurs who used technology to transform everyday life. His willingness to embrace risk, think decades ahead, and continuously innovate has inspired business leaders worldwide. Whether through e-commerce, cloud computing, artificial intelligence, or space exploration, his influence continues to shape the future. Conclusion. Jeff Bezos' story proves that bold ideas, persistence, and a long-term vision can change the world. From building an online bookstore in a garage to leading one of the world's largest companies and investing in humanity's future in space, his journey remains one of the most remarkable success stories in modern history.